Hey there, it's Katie, and today we're going to be talking all about covering up redness and blemishes. So if you struggle with covering up either of those, go ahead and stay tuned to this video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that little bell to get notified every time I post a new video. I post a new video for you every week with my favorite beauty tips and tricks. And as a thank you for watching this video and subscribing, I have a free beauty guide for you. Just go ahead and check out the description below for that link and grab that download. All right, let's get started. So as you can see, I suffer from having redness on my face. I also have quite a few breakouts on my face right now. Thank you, PCOS hormones. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and start with a primer. I also have a really dry skin, so I like to use a hydrating primer. All right, so just let that primer go ahead and soak in for a couple minutes. Now to cover up those blemishes, you're gonna wanna go ahead and grab a concealer in a shade, same shade as your foundation or a similar shade. Now there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can either take a concealer brush and just put a little bit of the concealer on there, or you can just take a little concealer, you could put it on your finger or just put it a little bit directly on your face. I'm gonna use the brush, and I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit of concealer right on each blemish. And I have a few on my neck here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover those up as well. Now that you have a little bit of concealer on each of those, you're just gonna kind of blend it in, and you make sure you don't just stick right on the blemish. You kind of want to go in a little bit of an area around it as well and just kind of blend it all out. You could use still your concealer brush. If you have a beauty blender, you could do that. I don't have any up here right now because my daughter keeps stealing them. She is 3 and like has been hoarding my beauty blenders, but I'm just gonna kind of blend these out here. Okay, so now you can see that all of the redness from all of those blemishes has been covered up. So now you're gonna wanna go ahead and take your full coverage foundation and apply that to get rid of your redness. So I'm gonna use a stick foundation. So this is a little bit more of a creamier foundation. So I'm just gonna apply that. And then I'm gonna use a brush to blend it all in. And don't forget to get your neck. Okay, now I'm gonna take a kabuki brush and I'm just gonna blend this all in. As you can see, all of that redness is completely gone from my face now, thanks to that foundation and the concealer. You can no longer see the blemishes. Obviously my face is not complete yet, but I at least have my foundation on, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it with some setting spray to make sure that it stays. I'm gonna spray it with a little setting spray. It smells so good. If you found value in this video, go ahead and give me a like, give me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you get a notification every time I post a new video. And if you want more tips and tricks, go ahead and click that link below to take you to my free beauty guide and download that absolutely free. I will see you later. Bye.